Austin, you guys were rolling.
Hey! What's up? Welcome to the Mandy and Mariah show. I'm Mariah. And I'm Mandy. Yeah. Woo! You guys want to see our awesome handshake, but you can't tell anybody yet because it's a secret. It's a secret. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Word! Okay, and now we have a special guest here today. His name is Marlos. Marlos, that's it. Hi. Woo! Attack from behind. That's it. You can get up now. Random dancing on stage. Turn it. Turn it up.
Random dancing is over, by the way.
You know what? I can do that better. You want to go? You want to go? Yeah, where are we going? Up your butt. Okay. Woo! A ninja. Ready? Hoi-ya! Yeah, you go down, remember? Hoi-ya! Yeah, yeah. I got ya. Probably not even in it.
You're in my video.
Now it's time to interview our guest. Okay. I'm Dr. Phil. Come over here. Come over here, boy.
Dr. Phil.
Okay. Now, I'd like to introduce you. Marlos. He is my little brother, unfortunately. Our little brother. Slash my uncle. And, I can't breathe in these glasses. Can you guys all say bye? Ready? Bye!
Get off. Peace out.